controversy about ringworm. Ringworm of the body is a rash caused by a fungal infection. It is usually a red, itchy, circular rash with clear skin in the middle. Ringworm gets its name because of its appearance. Ringworm of the body is related to athlete's foot. Jock itch, Tinea curis, and ringworm of scalp, Tinea capitis. Ringworm often spreads by direct skin-to-skin contact with an infected person or animal. Causes: ringworm is a contagious fungal infection caused by common mole-like parasite that lives on the cells of the outer layer of your skin. It can be spread in following ways: human to human. Ringworm often spreads by direct skin-to-skin contact with an infected person. Animal to human. You can contact ringworm by touching an animal with ringworm. Ringworm can spread with petting or grooming dogs or cats. It also fairly common in cows. Objects to human. It's possible for ringworm to spread by contact with objects or surfaces that an infected person or animal has recently touched or rubbed against, such as clothing, towels, beds and linens, combs and brushes. Soil to human. In rare cases, ringworm can be spread to humans by contact with infected soil. Infection would most likely occur only from prolonged contact with highly infected soil. Risk factors. Who gets ringworm? Ringworm is very common. Anyone can get ringworm, but people who have weakened immune system may be especially a risk factor of the infection and have problems fighting off the ringworm infection. You are at higher risk of ringworm of the body if you live in a warm climate, have close contact with an infected person or animal, sharing clothes, bedding or towels with someone who has a fungal infection, participate in sports that feature skin-to-skin contact such as wrestling, wear tear or restrictive clothing, people who use public showers or locker rooms, people who wear tight shoes and have excessive sweating. Symptoms. Signs and symptoms of ringworm may include a scaly ring-shaped area, typically on the buttocks, trunks, arms and legs. It may be seen on fingernails and toenails. Cheese skin. A clear or scaly area inside the ring, perhaps with a scattering of red bumps. Slightly raised, expanding rings, a round, flat patch of itchy skin. Overlapping skins. Hair loss. Symptoms typically appear between 4 and 14 days after the skin comes in contact with fungi that causes ringworm. Symptoms of ringworm by location of the body. Feet. Tinea pedis or athlete's foot. The symptoms of ringworm of the feet include red swollen, paling, itchy skin between the toes, especially between the pinky toe and the one next to it. The sole of the heel of the foot may also be affected. In severe cases, the skin on the feet can blister. Scalp. Tinea capitis. Ringworm on the scalp usually looks like a scaly, itchy red circular blood spot. The blood spot can grow in size and multiple spores might be developed if the infection spreads. Ringworm on the scalp is more common in children than in the adults. Groins, Tinea curis or jock itch. Ringworm on the groins look like scaly, itchy red spores, usually on the inner sides of the skin folds of the high thigh. Tinea barber. Symptoms of ringworm on the beard include scaly, itchy red spots on the cheeks, chin and upper neck. These spots might become crushed over, filled with pus and affected hair fallout. Thank you.